Okay, so this is a quick video to just show some of the different features of the goggles. So they come with a rubber lining here for the eyes. You have really good vision through these holes even with the lights on, which I'll demo in a little bit here. The control box is 3D printed using PETG, so it's pretty durable. It has an 1800 milliamp hour battery. It has a dust cover here for the micro USB port. And it has over discharge and over charge protection, so if the battery gets too low, it'll cut out, and if it once it becomes fully charged, it'll shut off. It also has indicator lights in here inside the charger port, so when you plug it in, there's an orange light to tell it that it's charging, and green light once it's complete. It has power switch, effect button, color button, and brightness. So go ahead and turn it on here. And just gonna go ahead and turn the light out real quick to show you that there's a little bit of light pollution, but it's really actually pretty nice because it gives you a bit of a feedback on what particular effect's on at that time. So this is on the Pride effect, which is a really cool rainbow effect that changes its style and pattern over time. Pretty long effect too, but so there's 40 different effects. You can cycle through them hitting the effect button, and you can also hold in the effect and color button and go backwards. So here's a ripple effect. I'm gonna go back to the Pride effect. Backward. To change the brightness, you hold that button in for about 2 seconds, and then it changes to solid color, and it will ratchet through the different presets until you find your selection, release it, and it goes back to the last effect that you were on. And then of course there's 12 different colors you can select from and a power switch. But that's pretty much it. They're made pretty durable. You know, obviously try and take care of them, but they should last quite a while. So that's it.